Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with auto-dimming power heated side mirrors with puddle lamps, running boards, deep tinted glass, and much more. A comfortable, quiet cabin and a powerful engine make this GMC Sierra a solid pick in the full-size pickup class. This GMC has 18-inch polished aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this GMC is in great condition. It has very clear halogen projector headlamps with LED signature, along with fog lights, tow hooks, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 5.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This GMC has 4-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers still receive 18 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this GMC only has 33,187 miles on it. At the back of the GMC, you can see the cargo lamp and the locking tailgate with easy lift and lower, along with the step corners, the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. In the back seat, you'll notice this GMC has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as the seat back pockets. These seats fold up for more cargo space, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice wood and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooling leather seats with memory. You have a very large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This GMC is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and power adjustable pedals. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlamps, the towing options, the driver's seat memory, and the power door locks, and the power windows with express down. This GMC has a very comfortable tilting and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux port. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.